Hi guys, DreamHost offers excellent value with its hosting plan, particularly the unlimited plan, which stands out for its generous feature. This plan including unlimited website, daily automatic backup, and free domain privacy protection, all of which provide substantial value for user. DreamHost 97-day money back guarantee is one of the longest in the industry, reflecting their confidence, their services, and commitment to customer satisfaction. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Unlike many competitors, DreamHost does not offer a free domain for the first year, which could add a bit to your initial cost. Additionally, if you option for the startup plan, you will find that it does not including a professional email address, which is something that most users would expect from a hosting service. Given these factors, the unlimited plan is likely the better choice for most, offering more features for a relatively small price difference. When it's come to user experiences, DreamHost dashboard is designed with simplicity in mind, making it an attractive option for beginners. These tools and features are neatly organized along the left-hand side, making navigation straightforward and ensuring that user can find that they need without much hustle. The WordPress integration is smooth and effectively, but it lacks some of the more advanced features that other hosting provider offer, such as integration, plugin management, or easy staging environment. Despite its clean design, the dashboard can sometimes feel sluggish and occasional bugs might disturb the user experience. This can be particularly frustrating for users who are acclimated to faster, more responsive interface, especially during the critical stage of website setup and management. DreamHost, including the Bold Grid website builder with all its plan, offering users a convenient way to create and manage their website. Bold Grid is a WordPress environment providing familiar drag and drop functionality and a good selection of modern templates. While this integration allows for a high degree of customization and flexibility, it can also make the builder feel less seamless compared to standalone website builders. Some users have reported that using BoldGrid can slow down their website, which is a significant consideration for those looking to optimize site performance. Although it's useful tool, particularly for those already comfortable with WordPress, it might not be the first option for users who prefer a more intuitive out of the box website builder experience. Scott is an area where DreamHost excellence, offering a range of features that help protect your website and data. The inclusion of free domain privacy protection is a significant benefit, as it helps keep your personal information secure from spammer and other unwanted contacts. DreamHost also provides free SSL certificates, which are essential for encrypting data and building trust with your site visitor. Additionally, the daily automatic backup, including with all plan, add an extra layer of security, ensuring that you can quickly recover your site in case of data loss or other issue. However, DreamHost custom malware scanning tool DreamShield is not including for free and comes at an additional cost, which might be a downside for users who expect more comprehensive security measures, including in other plans. Overall, while DreamHost provides solid security features, these rooms are improvements, especially in making advanced security tools more accessible without additional fees. DreamHost performance is generally good, though it does not always stand out compared to some of its competitors. Website speed is increasingly important not just for retaining visitors but also for securing better ranking in search engine result testing. DreamHost website loading within the recommended time frame, but they do not quite match the speed of leading competitors like Hostinger. For users who prioritize speed, especially in competitive market, this might be a consideration. To achieve better performance, user may need to engage a manual site optimization. For consider upgrading to a VPS plan, which could be a bit more technical and time consuming than some might prefer. Customer support at DreamHost is a mixed experiences. The standout option of ticket and live chat support are available, and while they tend to be effective in resolving issues. The response time can be slow, which may be frustrating during urgent situation. One notable aspect of DreamHost support system is the availability of callback support. But this comes with a fee, either as a one-time charge or as a monthly subscription. This approach might seem unconventional, as may competitor offer phone support as part of their standard services. On the plus side, the callback service is available in both English and Spanish, making it more accessible to a broader range of users. DreamHost also offers pro services which can assist with SEO, website management, and design. Through these services are on the pricier side. In summary, while DreamHost support is capable, it feels somewhat geared toward users who are willing to pay for premier system, which might not align with everyone need or budget.